Hello everyone, welcome to the code test. In the previous video, we have successfully installed the Hadoop. In this video, we have configured the data nodes and the name nodes. So we can start with cmd and type the command start hdfs-site.xml to start the Hadoop. So now data node is start, but I have not configured yet, and the name node is also giving the error. Also, it gives the error of C Hadoop bin utility is not found. So first I have to download this utility to run the command in Windows. So open new window, then type bin utility, copy and paste. Better. Click here, then download as a zip and extract the file here only. Then open win. Then I have installed the Hadoop 2.10.2. So nearly compatible version is 2.8.3. So I'm going to open it, then copy the Hadoop DLL and win and open it, then go to C drive Hadoop bin and paste here because it gives the path for this folder C bin utility. So I have already pasted. Now close this window again, and now again we have to write. Then as you can see, the window utility error is gone. Now I have to set the data node and the name node path. So open it, C drive Hadoop etc Hadoop, then open this file hdfs-site in any editor. I'm opening Visual Studio Code. Then one more file core-site, open it in any editor. Not necessary you have to open this. Then write the property, then paste, then give the name, then copy slash name, then give the name fs dot default. Make sure D is small. Default fs. Now value, then give it the name hdfs local host colon 9000 localhost 9000. Now I'm copying this because it is a similar property we require for data node, name node on the application. So first of all, we require how many replica we require for the data nodes. So we can say dfs dot replication, then give the number. So initially I'm giving only one number. Then we have to set the path of the data node and the name node. So then we have to set the path. So dfs dot name node dot dir dot name dot dir. You can set the path here. C colon file colon C, then you can save in the D drive D colon data, then name node. Similarly, I can create the path also for data node, data node, and change the path here, data node. Now we can also set the web URL path. So DFS can have the two dots, so you can do it. Then path name node.http hyphen address. Then set the address localhost colon 9890. Now we have set the hdfs site and core site. Now again close both the window, format the node name node first, hdfs name node hyphen format. Oh sorry, we forget to create the folder because we have assigned the folder here, but we have not created yet. So you can check it, maybe it's not created. So first of all, I have to go in D drive. Then you can create in anywhere. So D drive data. Then I'm giving the data node. Then again I'm giving one more folder name node. Now I can check it. Maybe run issue. It's opening correct. Now also working fine. Now we can format. Could not find a class name of hdfs name node hyphen format. Now it's format. Again, we can try this. It's format. Now I can write the command start dfs.cmd to run the Hadoop data node or name node. So as you can see here, the name node, here the data node. It gives some error, so I have to fix that error also. Name node also giving the error, and you can also cross check it's working or not by this command gps. So here the name node is working correctly, but data node is not working, so I have to fix the data node error. So what is the error? I have to find out. The name node is working, then leave it. So formatted. So here is the error. So here fail to storage. So I'm going to C drive, storage, and delete this folder for next time. Now delete. Now stop dfs.cmd and it close, but it's not started, so it's not closing. And again try to start. Name node, data node. Now both are working. You can confirm with write the command gps. Yeah, once you get the output of gps like this data node and name node, that's mean you have successfully installed and configured the data nodes and name node. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, any doubt, so please reach out me at Coordinate Institute. Thank you.